In this video, we will show you how to do push-ups. Begin by doing dynamic stretches. Dynamic stretching is ideal as the core of a warm-up routine. Each stretch must be repeated for 2 sets and each set should have 10 reps each. The first stretch is a dynamic lunge. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and take a deep lunging step forward. Place your hands on the leading thigh for support and drop into a deep lunge. Push forwards through the hips to increase the stretch in the hip flexors, hamstrings and quads. Keep your chest lifted, back straight and head looking forward. Go nice and slow to really emphasize the stretch. Repeat with the opposite leg. The second stretch is a standing knee tuck. This helps stretch out your glutes and hamstrings. Focus on bringing the kneecap into the chest by hugging your shin while stepping onto your toes with your opposite foot. This will give you better leverage. Alternate each leg while walking forward. Do 2 sets of 10 reps each. Next is the quad stretch. Take a step forward with your left foot. Pick up your right foot and bring it to your buttock. Reach back, grab hold of the foot and bend forward to touch your toes with the other hand. Return your foot to the ground. Step forward with your right foot and repeat the stretch on your left foot. Breathe in while touching your toes and breathe out while coming back up. Let's move on to warm-up exercises. Jumping jacks are a great full body exercise that is good for cardiovascular and strengthening. Stand with your feet together and your hands down by your side. In one motion, jump your feet out to the side and raise your arms above your head. Arms should be slightly bent throughout the entire in-air movement. Your feet should land shoulder width or wider as your hands meet above your head. Breathe in while jumping up and breathe out while jumping down. Repeat 10 to 100 times depending on your stamina. It is an effective exercise for the joints and to strengthen them. Tuck jumps are one of the most effective plyometric exercises that can be used to improve the agility and the strength of your body in the lower part in particular. Begin the exercise by standing with your legs shoulder width apart and keeping the spine as straight as possible while leaning slightly forward. Try to touch your chest and then your shoulder with your knee. Start by touching your shoulder first, then your chest. Breathe in while touching the shoulder with a jump and breathe out when touching the chest. Jump lunges are another great plyometric exercise for warming up the lower body. With your hands at your sides or behind your head, start with one foot extended forward and one behind. Drop your hips forward and forcibly jump into the air. While you are in the air, switch your legs so that now your forward leg is behind you and your back leg is in front of you. Breathe in while jumping up and breathe out while jumping down. We recommend 100 in 4 sets of 25 reps each. Crocodile walk. Start by getting down into a push-up position with your hands and toes on the floor. Then drop to your torso so it is roughly 2 to 3 inches from the ground. Start moving forward by lifting your left arm and right leg off the floor slightly and going forward. Next, your right arm and left leg come forward. Keep moving along slowly in this manner. Breathe in while going up and breathe out while going down. Push-ups. Open your arms in shoulder width. Position your body with your arms straight out, abs tight, holding your body in a plank position. Hands and arms should be positioned slightly below your shoulders. Fingers pointed forwards. Shoulders are pushed down away from your ears. Lower your body until your chest is an inch or 2 above the floor. Elbows pulling back at a roughly 45-degree angle. Push your torso away from the ground until your arms lock. Then repeat. We recommend 4 sets of 25 reps each. To increase strength, you can do push-ups with your knees bent. Try starting with your weight on your knees instead of the balls of your feet. Perform the push-up as normal, and when you can do these easily, start trying regular push-ups. Breathing will be at a normal pace while going down. Breathe in and going up, breathe out.